Okay, fáilte rás. Ceacht a hocht in is lesson 8. Good to have you with us. And remember, if this is a sequence of lessons, it's like a course. So if this is your first one, you're probably better starting lesson 1. And a quick reminder, the idea is that you pause the video if I ask you something. In fact, sometimes I don't even phrase it as a question. I'll just say something in English, right? Pause it, try and predict what that is in Irish, and then you can unpause and hear what I say. So it's not so much listen and repeat, but it's a predictive method where you have to sort of create the Irish yourself, right? It's really good if you speak it out loud as well. You need to say it because that's the thing. We're programming your brain to get used to feeling the words in your mouth and the way the sentences fit together. So you got to say the stuff out loud. Good. Where were we? Can you remember how to say, where are you? Yeah. Cá bhfuil tú? Cá bhfuil tú? So how do you ask, where are you going? Cá bhfuil tú a gcull? Cá bhfuil tú a gcull? Good. Say, I'm going to Derry. Tá me gcull go deireadh. Tá me gcull go deireadh. Now, can you remember how to say, would you like to go to Derry? Or why let gcull go deireadh? Good. I wouldn't. Níor why. I have to go to Belfast. Caithfidh mé gcull go Belfast. Caithfidh mé gcull go Belfast. Remember how to say because? Mar. Because I would like to go to the cinema. Mar bhfuailim gcull go dtí an Phictorlan. I'm going to the cinema with Myra. Tá me gcull go dtí an Phictorlan le Myra. Would you like to go to the cinema? Or why let gcull go dtí an Phictorlan? Do you remember the word liom from bhfuailim? Yeah? Say, I'd like a cup of tea. Bhfuailim cup and tea. Good stuff. So that word liom literally means with me. So when you're saying I would like a cup of tea, you're saying a cup of tea would be good with me. So liom you can use to say, would you like to go to the cinema with me? Try that. Try and just put liom onto the end. Would you like to go to the cinema with me? Or why let gcull go dtí an Phictorlan liom? Brilliant. So can you remember how to say Newcastle? Yeah, Caisleán Uair. You can say Caisleán Nua as well, but we're going to go with Caisleán Uair. Say, would you like to go to Newcastle with me? Or why let gcull go Caisleán Uair liom? I would. But why? Did you remember that? It's the same as bhfuailim cup and coffee or bhfuailim cup and tea. Say, I would like to go to the beach. Bhfuailim gcull go dtí an trá. But I have to go to Belfast. A caithfidh mé gcull go Belfast. Do you remember how to ask someone, have you got Guinness? And will Guinness agat? Yeah, I do. Tá. What about, have you got water? Will Ishka agat? No. Níl. But I have whiskey. Ach tá Ishka ba agam. Now, we've been using agam, like tá Guinness agam, to mean I have. Something fell over there. Sorry. I have. I And that works with like things that you've got, Guinness or burgers or chips, right? But if you've got a feeling, okay, like hunger or thirst, it's a different word. It's orm, because the feeling is on you in Irish, okay? So we're going to say ta ocras orm for I'm hungry. Just repeat it. Ta ocras orm. Good. Ta ocras orm. To say I'm hungry. Ta ocras orm. Good. So imagine someone offering you a cup of tea. Yep. Or while that cup and tea. And you say, no. Near why? But I'm hungry. Ach ta ocras orm. I'd like chips. But while yum scallagee. Have you got chips? Well, scallagee ugat. Good stuff. So another variation instead of hunger is thirst. Thirst is tart. So you're going to say there's thirst on me. How would that go? Yeah, ta tart orm. Ta tart orm. So imagine someone's offered you a burger. How would you say, would you like a burger? Or while that burger. Say, would you like a big burger? Or while that burger more? Good. No, I wouldn't. Near why? But I'm thirsty. Ach ta tart orm. I'd like a big pint of Guinness, please. But while yum pint more Guinness le da hull. Very good. I have to go to Belfast. Cai me gulgable farsta. I'm going with Padraig and Myra. Tamagul le Padraig agus Myra. I'd like to go to the pictures. But while yum gulgadine fictalan. Would you like to come to the cinema with me? Or while that gulgadine fictalan yum? Good. I wouldn't. Near why? But I'm hungry. Acta ocras orm. Now we're going to learn a new word. An Vielan is the restaurant. An Vielan. Can you say, I'd like to go to the restaurant? But while yum gulgadine Vielan. Good. Would you like to go to the restaurant with me? Or while that gull gadine Vielan yum? I wouldn't. Near why? I'd like a pint of water, please. But while yum pinta ishka le da hull. Have you got water? Well, ishka ugat. No. Neil. But I've got Guinness. Would you like Guinness? Acta Guinness ugam. Or while that Guinness? I would. But why? I'd like a big pint of Guinness, please. But while yum pinta more Guinness le da hull. Can you remember how to say a small glass? Glynne vug. So, and a small glass of whiskey. Agus glynne vug ishka ba. Can you remember how to say, have you got time? Well, am ugat. No. Neil. I haven't got time. Neil am ugam. I have to go to Newcastle. Kai me gulga cashlan nua. Can you remember how to ask, what are you doing? Gje tatu yanu. Gje tatu yanu. Just ask it. What are you doing? Gje tatu yanu. I'm going to the beach. Tá má gul go dtí an trá. I'm going with Padraig and Myra. Tá má gul le Padraig agus Myra. Would you like to go to the beach with me? Ar bhailliaat gul go dtí an trá liom. Just how do you ask, what are you doing again? Gdé tá tú a dheanú? Good. Have you got time? And will am agat? Good. Now we're going to work again with the thought of what are you doing, but we're going to change it a wee bit because we're going to ask what someone did yesterday. So instead of gdé tá tú a dheanú, it's going to end. We're going to keep with gdé, right? What? And gdé rin tú is what did you do? Okay. Gdé rin tú, just repeat it. Gdé rin tú. And then the word for yesterday is inye. Inye. So put that together. How do you ask, what did you do yesterday? Gdé rin tú inye. Gdé rin tú inye. Now, instead of saying I'm going, we're going to say I went. It's easy. Hui. Hui me go Belfast. I went to Belfast. Okay. Hui me go dira. It's like what we have been learning with all those different places, but you're saying hui me instead of Tá gul. Say again, I went to Belfast. Hui me go Belfast. Hui me go Belfast. Good. Can you ask, what did you do yesterday? Good. Gdé rin tú inye. Gdé rin tú inye. I went to Belfast. Hui me go Belfast. And I went to the pictures. Agus hui me go dtí an fictalan. Can you say, I went to Derry? Hui me go dira. Or I went to Newcastle. Hui me go Cashlan Ur. And I went to the beach. Agus hui me go dtí an trá. Well done. Ask again, what did you do yesterday? Gdé rin tú inye. Okay, that'll do for today. More past tense in the next lesson. I'll get a link to appear here somewhere. Okay. Slán.